Oh, they probably like crashed it here and like left it. So, bro, like, oh, people like little babies.
That's coming off the hinges.
Little babies like played here.
Little babies.
Well, I don't know. Is this a middle school?
No, this is elementary school.
Yeah, like I said. Babies.
Winfield's pretty big.
I never understand why places like these close down. They do have pull-up bars. Holy fuck.
Yeah. But
Dude, they have pull-up bars.
you see this?
Holy fuck. I've never been back here, so like.
I mean, like they're out in the open.
I know, but like I'm just now seeing that. That's so cool. That is.
It almost looks like last.
I wish we had pull-up bars at my school. Holy shit.
My school?
Like I just like out of any school I've been to.
This door's like ready to open, but
Bush light. More pottery. How's the before?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. A shovel, a chandelier.
A chandelier. Holy fuck, they're living it up in here.
What's this? A table?
A ladder?
A ladder. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
You think this place even has power anymore?
It might. I feel like we're in that one room from like Harry Potter, like.
Yeah, all this pottery. What the fuck am I? This is definitely mold or something. Don't fall down, anybody. There's mold over the floor. A shop vac. What is this? Am I making shit?
Well, I guess we know what they made, but.
Fucking tiles and shit. What is this big house here? I want to throw this and break it up.
Well. This is really fucking creepy. You like tips and beer?
oh my god.
Downstairs. Downstairs first.
This literally looks like the videos of like abandoned ship. Sorry about that.
This looks like a fucking bad or horror movie gone wrong.
That's yeah.
There's lights on that here. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, is that sunlight?
I think it's sunlight.
It's natural.
It's sunlight, you fool.
Well, it's like orange color, okay?
It's orange color.
Dude,
Oh, it's nice and firework down here. Dude, you see this?
yeah. What is this car? This looks like. What the fuck is this?
Yeah, I don't think they were doing all pottery in here.
No, I don't think so either. Like, there's a motorcycle right there.
Oh,
There's two cars here.
there's a tractor.
There's a tractor.
There's another car.
It's like the fucking roof collapsed, I just realized. What's all this shit?
Why the fuck would they just
There's a
leave
fucking
these
SUV.
here?
Yeah.
There's another car.
There's like 10 billion fucking cars.
There's a, how many fucking vehicles are in here?
Dude, like I said, there's some.
A flag? What is that? Are we in some cult room? This is a convertible.
What the fuck?
This is cool as shit, dude.
Hey, that's
Fucking
my favorite
lawnmower.
It's all metal.
This is like part of it.
Oh no, he couldn't get it through here.
Oh, yep. There's one.
Holy shit! Late 19.
Ooh, files and shit. Chemicals? So, fuck this old soap sensor. Oh, a microphone head?
Oh, it's a clamp.
Electrical bits. Oh, that was quiet.
It wasn't loud enough.
What kind of fucking teachers like?
Here's the principal's office.
No, this is an office.
Let's see. Corrosive liquid NOS